You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3.
All right, go ahead and open up your math books to page 87, which looks like this. First thing I want you to do is to set the clocks. You know how to do that, right? Make this one say 7 o'clock and this one say 7:30. Go ahead. Okay. Next, we have, it says fill in the missing numbers by tens. So I'll do this one with you, do this one by yourself, okay? So we have 31. We're going to go by tens, so what comes next? Well, the 3 goes up 1. So we have 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71. See that? Okay. You go ahead and do this one here by yourself. Okay. Next we have some summas. You know how to do them. Remember that when you do them, you always start on this side. Not this side, this side. All right, go ahead. All right, next you have some summas with the numbers missing. See if you can figure out which numbers go in these little shoes here. All right. Next, we have this here. Now, you need to be very careful here, because take a look at what they've done here. This is the hundreds, this is the tens, and this is the ones, right? So this first number, 3 hundreds, 5 tens, and 6 ones, right? So 3 hundreds, 5 tens, and 6 ones. This number is 356. 356. But look at this next one here. 749. So this answer is 749. 749, right? Look what they did here. They mixed them up. 7 tens, 4 hundreds, and 9 ones. They mixed them all up. The 7 goes here because it's a 10. The 4 goes here because it's 100. And the 9 does go here because it's a 1. This is 479. 479. Okay? So, with that in mind, look at this one. See if you can figure out what number that is. Be very careful. Look at it very closely. Okay. Next one, take out your regla and measure this line of flores and tell me how long it is. All right. You can turn the page over now. We'll go to the back. I'll do the first one with you, and then you can do the other ones by yourself. Okay, we have 1,000, 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 9 ones. 1,300, 4 dieces, 9 unos. So what number is this? Well, you could get out your pencil and write it all down and try to do the summa, or you can just say this number is 1,249. 1,249. See that? Write that down there. All right, now you can try to do these other 3 by yourself. See what you can do. All right. Next, we have our old friends, más de, menos de, and iguales, and they want to know about the things we've been learning about measuring. Let me grab my Regla here. And let me also grab my big one. Here's my big one. Now you may remember that this is a yardstick. It measures yardas, measures yards. It had 1 yard, one of these yardsticks, uno yarda, is the same as 3 of these. This is 12 pulgares, 12 inches, and 1 foot, un pie, is the same thing, 12 inches. Let me grab one that's a little better on camera there, why don't I? Like this one here, it looks better on camera. You can see it better. 12 inches, 1 foot, 12 pulgares, uno pie. This is 3 feet. This is 3 of these. This is where the hard part of not being able to do this in the same room as you comes in. Okay? We have, this is 1 yard, un yarda. This is 1 foot, un pie. It's also 12 inches, 12 pulgares. So let's take a look at this again. What's bigger, 1 yard or 1 inch? Un yarda or un pie? Well, it's 1 yard, right? Because this is a yard. So put the sign there. Remember, the small number gets 1 punto, the big number gets 2 puntos. How about this one right here? 3 feet and 1 yard. What's bigger? 3 feet or 1 yard? 3 pies o 1 yarda? They're the same. Remember? 1 of these is the same as 3 of these. Un pie, un yarda es el mismo de 3 pies. Okay? Just drop them on the floor. That's okay, I'm not going to use them again anyway. Then we have 1 foot and 1 yard. Un pie y un yarda. Which one's bigger? Yeah, it's an easy one, right? Then we have 1 inch and 1 foot. Un pulgar y un pie. Which one's bigger? Right, okay. Next, go ahead and take out your regla and measure 3.5 inches and 2.5 inches. 3.5 pulgares y 2.5 pulgares. Go ahead. Draw a line, draw a linea with them. Okay? Next, I'm going to give you some numbers. I'm going to read some numbers out for you, and I want you to write them down. Okay? Listen very carefully. I'll say it twice in English and once in Spanish. Here we go. A, 58. 58. 58. B, 792. 792. 792. C, 1812. 1812. 1812. D, 2644. 2644. 2644. And then E, 503. 503. 503. Okay. Next on your page, you have some sumas and restas. Go ahead and do those. And then last, you have a question there. This question, I'm not going to translate it for you. You can read it if you want to, but it's two questions. This one is 4 plus 2, 4 más 2. And this one is 4 más 6. 4 más 2 y 4 más 6. 4 plus 2 and 4 plus 6. You go ahead and do those. And then when you're done, then you're done. And you can move on to your English. See you there.